The Lives of the Saints by Father Albin Butler, October 11th, the Motherhood of the Virgin Mary. Today is celebrated throughout the Western Church the feast of the Maternity of the Blessed Virgin Mary. This feast was introduced by Pius XI in the encyclical Lux Veritatis, published on December 25, 1931, on the occasion of the 15th centenary of the Council of Ephesus. In the third lesson of the second nocturnal of the Office of the Day, there is talk of the vault of the Basilica of St. Mary Major, which Sixtus III, 432-440, had decorated with mosaics shortly after the council, and which was restored by Pius XI. The breviary recalls that this vault is a kind of monument to the proclamation of the divine maternity of Mary at the Council of Ephesus. But the encyclical of Pius XI mentions other reasons for the institution of the feast. We would like that, under the auspices of the Queen of Heaven, so beloved and venerated by our separated brethren of the East, all Christians pray that God will not allow them to remain estranged from the unity of the Church and from her Son Jesus Christ, whose vicar we are. May they soon return to the common Father, to whose judgment all the Council Fathers submitted themselves, and whom they unanimously acclaimed as the guardian of the faith. May God bring them back to us, who have for them the greatest affection, and who would joyfully make our own the grave words with which Cyril exhorted Nestorius, that the peace of the churches may not be disturbed, and that the bond of love and concord between the priests of God may remain indissoluble.